Okay, let me know when you want to pass me. I'll be riding those brakes. Oh, squirrely, squirrely. Gosh, it's so dusty. Just met up with Cameron. That's him. Just took that last turn in front of me. Cameron and Kendall and their friend. I already forgot his name. AC. Big case. Bike's riding good. Went to Galbraith yesterday. Got home, oiling everything up for today, and found out I had 3 broken spokes in the rear wheel again. Took it to Pacific Mountain Sports at 2 o'clock when they close at 5 o'clock. And Colin and the guys got me hooked up. Great bike if you're in the... Whoa! I should stop talking. Great bike shop if you're in the Monroe area. Really reliable dudes. Should focus on what I'm doing here. I thought the rain last night would help us a bit.
Oh no. We just pulled the rocks up.
Not so much. Nice. Whoa! Oh. Sorry, dude. You okay? Oh, I thought I made you drop.
Right the fuck out.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah, yeah.
My bad. I thought I made you fall.
No, no.
Jeez Louise.
is the green that goes down.
This is boring. I mean, we hit it the first
time.
time.
This is one of the funner sections of the whole mountain. This one?
Yeah, this is just a bunch of switchbacks with nothing.
That section is made for the first generation Sentinel. Just plow through it.
A lot harder on a trail bike. Yeah, I was in the wrong gear too, so I'm